As the coronavirus outbreak continues, more than 2.9 million cases have been confirmed in the U.S. Good evening, and thanks for joining us for Fox 16 News. I'm Kevin Kelly. More than 24,000 of those cases are coming from the natural state, and there's at least one case in all 75 counties. Here's a look at the latest numbers. 439 new COVID-19 cases have been confirmed here in the state. That brings the number of active cases to 6,127. 337 Arkansans are in the hospital. 17,834 have recovered. But 292 have died from this virus. As for testing, over 3,000 tests were completed in just the past 24 hours. At today's daily briefing, Governor Asa Hutchinson announcing that the original goal of completing 180,000 tests by the end of this month has now been changed to 200,000 tests. Fox 16's Jay Bird joins us live with more on today's announcement and the latest on contact tracing. Jay.
Yeah, Kevin, you kind of been touching on it here. Governor Hutchinson really hitting on two major components of trying to fight this COVID-19 pandemic here in the state, and that's contact tracing and it's testing. Now, testing numbers, as you mentioned, were down slightly from what we've seen the past week, only 3,615 in the past 24 hours, but that does put Arkansas over 30,000 for the month already, and you announced that 200,000 new goal for tests in the month of July. Now, Governor Hutchinson was actually on a call this morning with the vice president and addressed the issue of testing. There is still a growing concern that the supply chains for testing supplies for commercial labs is beginning to be strained due to the growing number of cases in several states, including Arkansas.
It's not just about Arkansas, it's also about Texas and California and Florida, Arizona, all adding to that mix and putting pressure on the supply chain. And we had a discussion about that, but that needs to be fixed.
I believe this is mostly just plain supply and demand, but we need to make sure these supply chain issues are solved for our commercial labs and also for our hospital labs.
Now, the other part of the equation, contact tracers. The state now bringing in their first contracted ones this week to the tune of $20 million, and it will be a year-long contract that can be renewed if the need is still there. The state looking for a second contractor with those same terms currently. Now, health officials stress that Arkansans need to help them speed up the process by answering their phones when ADH calls, because the stress is not on the initial contact, but the other contacts people have leading up to their infections. So if you see this number pop up, we're going to pop it up on your screen here. Make sure you answer your phone. It's 877-272-6819. And ADH wants you to know that that is them, and if they will have some information for you to verify to make sure that you're comfortable and it's not a spam call, and they will not be asking for any personal information or for any money. So make sure you have that difference. But again, they will have some information for you to verify for them, not only in their case, but to also put you at ease. Live from the state capitol, Jay Bird, Fox 16 News.
Good information, Jay. Appreciate it.